Why does your scanner show the P1404 engine code? What does it mean? P1404 is a diagnostic trouble code for EGR position sensor rationality closed. P1404 engine code indicates that the actual position of the EGR valve panel doesn't coincide with the position of the EGR valve panel that the PCM is expecting to see when the EGR valve is closed. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty EGR valve. Wiring issues. Faulty EGR valve position sensor. Carbon buildup. Failing PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in General Motors vehicles and European cars like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.